EU truck drivers to embark. We have a possibility of about 25, 30 jobs of European truck drivers licensed DE. As you know, these huge ships, Roro and the Ropax fleet, that we have 77 units, 22 Roros and 55 Ropax. They need truck drivers on board to organize these logistics when ships arrive at port to have a faster operation, rolling on, rolling off. Therefore, if you are now suffering these prices of petrol, and that this is going to be the tendency because the European governments and politicians, they will just get more tax and more licenses and more bureaucracy from your side. So if you are tired of that and you're thinking, well, why not work for a great company, Italian social security company, Italian flag. It is not required to speak English, just basic Italian. We enclose here the Italian language. Apply urgently to Candina because we are requiring about some 25. It doesn't matter if you are Bulgarian, Romanian, Spanish, Portuguese, Belgium, any European country is okay because it must be employed by the Italian company, and then after 2 years you become just the employee. So also you have a social security, and it's a very good opportunity for those of you that really have a small experience as truck drivers, and they really, or even those of you that they go as partners on off, because we can really look after having you on board the same ship and have the rosters together, share the cabin and so on. Therefore, thank you very much for your time. Bye.